I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and having a great day here at MARITECH 2024. Beautiful St. John's, Newfoundland. Newfoundland and Labrador, always open for business, always very welcoming of industry in their backyard. Having MARITECH in St. John's is wonderful. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us what you do? You're no stranger to Gale Force Winds, so start right from the beginning.
So, Andrew Parsons, Minister of Industry, Energy and Technology, which means that I basically get to be a part of every cool file that is in Newfoundland and Labrador across so many fronts. But this one is something that sometimes goes underappreciated, even though we've got hundreds of years of experience in this. So just being in, marine tech, Newfoundland and Labrador, again, has everything that we need here. It's a great host. My first time being here, my first time. So I'm glad we're hosting here. And it was great to get invited to come down and see what's going on. And it's like blowing me underwater, no pun intended. Just how busy it is here.
Yeah, Minister, there's no doubt about it. What you see in the room here, industry, academia, everybody working together, but government, so important that government is in this conversation. Talk to me about your vision, Newfoundland government, as it relates to the marine sector.
Absolutely. So, what we've got here is just, we've really doubled down on tech over the last 3 to 4 years, and we realized the opportunity that we have here. So I'll put it two ways. Number one, massive opportunities. We have so many bright minds here, people that are just trying to get into it, people who've been doing this for a long time. We also have challenges here that we face everywhere. One of the challenges being labor, one of the challenges being capital. That's where governments come in, is to partner with people to help when it comes to developing labor market opportunities, when it comes to developing funding opportunities, partnerships. So that's where we come in. One of the things I'm going to say later on here to everybody is that the leaders are here in this room. Our job is to support that leadership, to support those ideas. And again, the investments that we will make, we will get a return on. I see so much opportunity here. It's just, again, I cannot overstate the significance of what happens here and how it really has a global reach.
Yeah, there's no doubt about it, Minister. You get it. You understand that the rising tide floats all boats in these parts, and the marine sector certainly gets it and appreciates the government in this conversation and being part of this whole industry thriving. Of course, Newfoundlanders are no strangers to the marine industry thriving right in their own backyard. It's right in front of us. A very open and inclusive industry as well, much like Newfoundland in itself. Very open and inclusive, welcoming new people in. Talk to me about the importance of that.
Well, again, we have so many people that have been doing it here, and one of the challenges, they need more to come into this. So and I was really excited to see how many students are here today. And in the K-12 system, in the Marine Institute Memorial, they had to realize there's a huge opportunity here to get an amazing opportunity job-wise, to stay here, to be educated, to learn, to do something that is cool and is worthwhile, and also make the living that you want to have. These are the things that we want for young people in this province, so we continue to support this. So whether it's helping to support the conference itself, which is what we're doing when it comes to helping these companies, when it comes to innovation, research, you name it. And again, we've got centuries of experience in this, but seeing the cutting edge that we're moving into now, and look, I still think the ocean, even though it was our history, it's going to be the future. We need to be here. If not, we're missing a huge opportunity, and somebody else is going to jump there and take it. One of these other provinces or jurisdictions. So we have a role to play here, but we're all in. We're ready to go.
Minister, you've got a great lens on things. You get a first-hand look at whether it's the energy sector, whether it's the tech sector, whether it's the mining sector, whether it's the marine sector. You get a lens into it all, and you hit the nail right on the head. You were so excited to see young people in this conversation. What would you tell moms and dads and aunts and uncles, those influencers that are out there right now talking to young people about the opportunities in Newfoundland and Labrador?
So a couple of things I would say is that we have these amazing tools to get the information out. You just have to look for that. But one of the big things too about the people that are here, whether it's the organizers, whether it's the boards that run it, they want to share this. It's so easy to reach out. People in government, it's so easy to reach out to us, and to use these connections to give you the information you want, the people that are there. It's knowledge. We need to find a way to share the knowledge. There's tons of it here. Sometimes it's almost like it's too much. But again, you have to look out for it. And why would you do that? Because a lot of people, I mean, when I was growing up, you felt like you had to go away. You do not have to do that in this province now. There are amazing opportunities here. Also, to see the world, but to stay here, to build here, to go away, create things, come back here, knowledge transfer. I mean, the sky's the limit. It really is amazing here. So again, our job is to help support that by building these networks of people and companies together, and then, like I say, just trying to share the information.
Government, industry, academia, all working together. A rising tide floats all boats, but it doesn't happen without a steady hand on the tiller. Thanks for your leadership. Thanks for your service.
Appreciate it, brother. As always, amazing.